Alright guys, while I got Benjamin doing the video real quick, I'll show you another part I like to do.
Oh, okay.
I also like to do the throttle body when I have it up for the oil change. I just normally just use this and wipe it up real quick. So the throttle body is right here. And I'll go ahead and screw that off. And I'll go ahead and spray this, and I have my brother hitting the gas, open it while the car is off, so I can have the plate will be up, and I'll go ahead and clean that real quick. So let me go ahead and start cleaning that. Yes, all the way on the right.
Alright, just making sure.
I'm going to press it. Yeah. Alright guys. Alright, stop pressing, Ben. And you see the plate open up. Go ahead and press. Press it. Press it. You see it opens up real quick. Stop. Alright. So all I'm going to do, guys, is just spray this throttle body cleaner around it real quick while I think the oil pan is all finished draining. I got to take the filter off, but in the meanwhile, we'll go ahead and spray this up real quick. And we use a clean towel. And let's wipe this bad boy up. Let's see if I can put it up here so y'all can see what I'm doing. And look at that. Right there. So let's clean this joker up real quick. Alright guys, so you can see all the dirt off the throttle body real quick. Yeah, save yourself some money. Let's get a throttle body. So now that that's done, I'm going to go ahead and connect it back, the air filter back to it, put this back in the trunk. And then I still got to take the filter off real quick, have that drain, and then put the oil in. So let's connect this back together real quick. All right. Stop it. Okay. Tell me when you go to regular video.
I did.
Alright guys, so now that the throttle body is clean, or sort of clean, the next oil change I probably will change my air filter right here. Clean it out. I have the air filter, the K&N air filter cleaner, and I'll go ahead and just dry wash it. That's what I do. Spray it back down with lubrication oil and then put it on. I think I do it every other oil change or every 3 oil change or so like that. So let's get the oil filter done. We'll put this in time lapse and then get out of this crazy outfit, take a shower, edit this video and put it up. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so now that we got the oil pretty much at a drip, we'll go ahead and take the filter off. We'll let that drain real quick and then put oil on top and we're done. So stay tuned for that. We almost made a mess. I was trying to do that quick turns and get it all off, but I didn't. So let it drain for a little bit and we'll clean up all that mess on the side. Alright, I'm going to pause this or put it in time lapse so I don't get all mess all over the phone. Alright guys, I'm almost done. Seems like this is a longer video than I need to. Obviously you can't change the oil in 5 minutes, but pretty much everything looks done. It's cleaned up. So all I'm going to do right now is just actually have a wet, tough towel. I'm actually going to clean it up real quick and put the filter on. Key thing, when you guys put the filter on, and forgive me for the video because I'm doing everything with one hand. But when you guys put the filter on, you can get a filter out with one hand. Make sure you put a little bit of used oil around the rubber. Also make sure that the gasket did not leave on top of it, because you don't want to double gasket the oil change. So oil it real quick, screw it on, screw it on, and they recommend hand tighten it. I don't hand tighten mine, so I use this as much as I can because I really have small hands anyway. But I'll hand tighten it as hard as I can with my hands, and then I'll probably do like maybe 1 or 2 turns with the socket real fast. Tighten the plug up real fast, and then the easy part, which is just putting the oil back into it. So stay tuned while I get this on, show what it looks like, and I'll just show you guys again where every part is, so you guys don't do it incorrectly. And if you're not sure of yourself, have somebody who knows what they're doing, or just go ahead and pay the money and get it done. All right, guys, stay tight. All right, I got a camera reel turn around really fast. Just in case you guys don't know, you see it right there real quick. It's not gonna focus, obviously, but that's where I'm gonna put the new filter back on. You see it's really clean. You don't have to clean it up like that. I only clean it up because it's spilled everywhere, but I'm gonna actually put some oil on the gasket real fast, and then I'm gonna attach it back real quick. So there's your filter. This is what it's gonna look like when I put it back up in there. Right there. Can I half screw that real quick so you can see it, but I gotta put the oil on it, so I'll take it back down. So there's your oil filter, and there is your oil plug that takes a 50mm right here. So you'll see them close to each other on a 2013 Camaro. Alright guys, let me get this on real quick and pour the oil in. Alright guys, I'm done with the car, and hopefully everything should look like this. I think the video might be upside down, but I'll rotate it if it's not. There you go. Oil pan right here. It has the name on it, GM, made in USA. Oil plug right there, and right behind, oil filter right there. So if you can get that done correctly without running off your screws or too tight in your filter, you've just completed your first oil change on your 2013 and above SS Camaro. I think the 6 cylinders are the same way too as well. So let's put the oil in real quick, time lapse that, and we're done. Alright guys, so you just see me perform an oil change on my 2013 Special Edition, the Dusk Edition SS. You can hear that. Sounds lovely. If you don't learn anything about me in this video at all, yeah, technician takes his job literally. But if you don't know anything or don't learn anything about this video or any other video, at least take one thing from my channel. Safety. Safety first, guys, in anything you do. Whether it's cutting the grass, going shopping, whatever. Safety first, please, guys. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and bang her one time so you can hear how she sounds real quick. And then I'm going to edit this video. Hopefully it looks good. And I'm taking a shower and I'm out. Hopefully you guys can hear that. Let's hear what it sounds like. She sounds pretty mean. Alright guys, that was just a sound test. Making sure the oil is actually in the motor. Have fun. I gotta work tomorrow. I'm chemo. Hope you love the video. I'm gonna go and edit it, and see where we at. Alright guys. Peace! Oh, note briefly, I haven't forgot my bike lovers. That's coming up in the next video, okay? Not next as in next video, but soon. Peace!